Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about action catalog. So let me understand what mean by action catalog. So how it has been used actually. So action catalog. So basically, it helps us to categorize your tasks which has been created in an action center. So it may be like HRA task or it may be claim task. So there will be like several tasks which will be created in action center. It's mainly help you to categorize the particular task which is looking for. Let me quickly jump into the action center and let me take a look over there. So I just clicked on unassign. So let me remove this filter. So under completed, so we can see several tasks, right? So as of now, so it is only HRA task. Let's assume so you have a claim task, HRA task, and some other task as well. Okay, so which is for hospitalization task. So many tasks. So only you are looking for a HRA task now. So how do you segregate those? So is there any option to segregate? Yes. So with the help of action catalogs, you can make a segregation of the task which you are currently looking for. So here you can just click on this funnel symbol. So here you can see something called as action catalog. So we have to create our customized action catalog and we have to place over it during the creation of our task actually. So let me quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio and show you where we have to place our action catalog. So this is the place where we have to place our action catalog which has been created. Okay. So first of all, we have to create a customized action catalog, and then so we have to place our customized catalog here when we are creating a task. Let me jump back to the action center. So here under the admin settings, you are going to create your action catalog. So before that, let me ensure one more thing. So in UiPath Studio, just check but to the which particular folder you have connected for. So currently I was just connected in my personal workspace. So if you are connected to a particular folders, okay, in your orchestrator, just go to there and you have to going to create your action center on that. So let me go to the action center, click on admin settings. So under admin settings, I have many folders, right? That's why I have mentioned here. So if your particular UiPath Studio has been connected with the default folder, you are going to create your Action Center catalog under the default folder. So if it's an IT folder, so you're going to create in the IT folder. Likewise, so you have to create all those. So currently I have just connected with my workspace. Let me go to the workspace. Let me click on add new catalog. So here I have to going to make HRA approval. Okay, so this is my catalog form name. Okay, then I just going to give a description HRA form approval. Okay, so just copy this catalog name, don't forget to do that. Just copy and just try to create this one. Perfect, right? So you have created your action catalog now. So what you have to do, just since you have copied, just go to the UiPath Studio now. So you have to paste your action catalog name over here. Okay, so when the task has been created, so what will happen now? So during the task creation, your action catalog will be placed over there. Okay, so let me try to save and let me try to run this. So let me wait for the task creation. So now the task will be created along with our action catalog. So in input dialog box, we are going to enter our HRA amount, which is 7,000. Click on OK. So the now task has been created along with the action catalog. So let's wait for a few minutes. Task has been created over here. Let me switch to the action center. Let me click on inbox now. So here you can see some unassigned task will be created now. Yeah, it has been created. Along with that, so you can see something called as HR approval. So which is nothing but our action catalog has been created. So as we know that since in unassigned state, we cannot able to approve this. Let me try to make it to self-assign. So let me make 7,000 as approved amount. Click on approve and complete. Perfect. So meanwhile, just go to the UiPath Studio and just resume this as well. So our work will be in the action center only now. So let me click on completed. Okay. So here you can see some difference, right? So these are all tasks which has been created on yesterday, which does not have any action catalog name. So, but the tasks which are created today, we have an action catalog name. So how to utilize this? So let's assume, so we have a several forms, so which is claim reimbursement, HRA, and some other hospital bill forms. Okay, so you have to look only on the HRA forms. Okay, so your senior has been told, so just kindly take a look on HRA forms and try to download those. So how do you do that? So are you going to scroll and going to check each and everything? No. So if you have used the action catalog, so you can directly go to this particular funnel button. So just try to categorize to your HR approval. Okay. So once you have clicked on HR approval, you'll be getting only one task since you have used our action catalog name already over there. Okay. So you can see only the task which has the action catalog, right? So here, likewise, it helps you to predominantly find your particular task which has been looking for. So no need to scroll down and scroll up and check for each and every task. So this will make your work so very easy and with the help of action catalog. So let me show you one more thing as well. Let me click on these three dots. Okay, action summary. So here you can see something called as catalog name as a HR approval here. Okay, so the task this is which we have created on today. So let me check on the task which you have created on yesterday. Let me click on this one, click on these three dots, action center. So here you can see there is no like field name which is called as action catalog, right? So which means it does not has any categories. Okay, so if you are creating in this way, it will be hard to find out actually. So what are the tasks which you are looking for? You are not able to filter over those things when we need it. So that is the main use of an action catalog. So help you to categorize your task and find your task predominantly in very easier way. So this is the main use of an action catalog. So I hope you have liked our video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.